headed to the beach. Are y'all excited?
Yeah! Lollipop!
Huh?
Yeah, lollipop!
Lollipop. Boys did real good out at the property this weekend working on the hunting blind. I told them I'd take them to the beach this weekend. So we're going out to the beach, going down to Fernandina. I got one fishing rod. Maybe we'll do a little fishing and keep our fingers crossed. We might get lucky, but we're just gonna go hang out, have a good time. So let's go. We finally made it. Did we make it?
No!
Did we make it?
Yeah! This is...
All right. God, that took too long. It takes about an hour to get down here. He's flying! He's flying! He's flying! Oh, crash. That was good. His Pop got him that last weekend. And he's been trying so hard to fly it at the house. He's been wanting to fly it, so when I told him we're going to the beach, he's like, that's perfect, let's go to the beach, I want to fly my kite. So I let him bring it against what I wished, because I know that he's okay carrying it now, but he ain't gonna be cool carrying it when we're coming back. There's the fort over there. All right, let it go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Crash. It's all over your foot, baby. Run. Boink. Whoa! You're flying it. Don't let go, remember? a second. how shallow they really are. Reel, reel, reel.
Hey!
Reel, reel, reel. Keep it high, keep it high. There you go, reel, 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 reel. Good job, JoJo. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
I go on.
Huh? All right, let me get the hook out. Oh no, no! I'm so sorry, I dropped him. You want me to catch another one for you? Okay, I'll catch one more. I'm sorry. We just caught a little fishy. That's good. Yes, you both can hold it. Because it has really sharp pointies. See all these? Feel this. Feel it. Is it sharp?
No.
This is. Feel that. Yeah, that's sharp, isn't it? Be careful, it'll poke you. Let's go down to the water and you can hold him. All right, here you go. Careful of his spines. Grab him real tight. Grab him real tight. Oh, grab him, Jonah, hurry. Let him go, let him go.
Ow.
Did he poke you?
Yeah.
I told you, you gotta be careful. There he goes.
Oh, I just got a new spear.
New spear. You wanna catch one, Jonah? Whew. All right. Well, that's it, y'all. We had a great time out here. We got to fly the kite, got a couple fish, and played in the water. We accomplished all three things. Pretty cool place. Obviously, that's the fort here at Fort Clinch. And I hope y'all have a wonderful week. Have a blessed week, and we'll see you next time.
About changing the kind of procedures you're doing to make life more interesting, about learning how to run your practice. Those things I feel like would help, and to give people some more hope. I mean, I get on these